Welcome back guys to JAMMIWOOD Entertainment. It's a girl Alia. No more to do for me like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, tell a friend, tell a grandmother, tell a uncle, tell a sister, tell everybody for run come over JAMMIWOOD, come watch a bangaya. Peace out.
Shayna,
Where Premila?
Wagwan.
But there I know.
Girl, I have to tell us how things are going, you know.
Oh, what happened now, girl?
Me say, girl, I have a landlord, you know. And she have a rasta man. You know, she have my mother stay, right?
Yeah, girl.
And she have a rasta man. And rasta man have money as you frig.
Yeah, girl. Girl, no see I'm so with me. Me meet one man, you know, and he have it one what me not really care about that girl.
See him here. Say, remember some go study if you do hair and nails, right?
Yeah, girl.
So, like, yes, a girl, you know, some of you pay me cousin, right?
Yeah, girl.
So, remember some of guys supposed to hear all these things, so, I want a shop. So, you know, say, I don't know what.
Girl, you know, say, me did that the nursing or something, and you know, say, my mother money and not really not much to pay bills and something. So, I meet the guy and him rich and something. So, girl, you know, say, me did want to take a little piece of money off of him. But, girl, me start to fall in love with him, girl. And move in with him and something, girl.
Here,
Yeah, girl.
guys, same thing with me too, you know, but I can't make that stop my show right now.
Girl, if you have to follow this stuff, the girl, you're not getting nothing. But, girl, film woman alright. Film woman alright with him out.
All this I wanted to miss the lady that have cost. Every time this woman like ask me, oh, we can't go to school yet.
Yeah,
Where
yeah.
your mother day?
Girl, I feel our business.
It looks so. Take green me few man, you see.
But, girl, I'm moving with this one and something, girl, and the nursing thing and go on. So, not worry about.
Right, so if you go.
So, anyways, we link up.
Yeah, we link up at the end because we are so things to go right now.
Alright.
Aye.
Exercise good in the morning. Give me a take the day off today and a week. Where the plan? We are kiss the teeth so.
Yeah, about when me a kiss my teeth, so after last night me a touch you, I try wake you.
But I'm tell you, and every night, I can't deal with them about that. Because some of the time I'm tired, I work hard, you know. I pay the bills them and things. We have a local place already. The money that come in month is a monthly money that. So you know, so not every week the money. When they get the money for the tenant, they put it in their pocket. They put it in their bank. You understand? But me have to have money same way.
I want to know you, I want something to ask you for me. What the are that have to do with for just? You know if you have to do nothing more than you just turn. So
Woman, I tell you. Once me hug you up, you know, and the boy turn up, so me have to go put on that piece of show. And I know how it go. We not flap and show business. So we just say alright. We can't really touch it.
No man, something have happened. What around? What change? What I want? Because normally morning, noon and night, like a doctor recommend it or prescribe it for you. So what now?
No, that's something I learned. She's teaching something. When I was a boy, them used to have a thing where the father and the son was to go by a woman. Every time the boy come in, he said, Daddy, me gone 5. And Daddy had 1. Then they said, Daddy, me gone 4.
Here, well, just save the story. Make it stay, because most of women you find you come in here. We hear words of wisdom.
Nothing like that, no.
Hear me I say,
a long time we are doing it.
No worry yourself. No, you not give me no sex, then you wake up with the energy can go exercise before you give me before. No worry yourself.
You exercise you may do it fast.
It's alright.
After you come from work, when you come from work,
no man, it's alright.
Tonight is your night. Tonight.
What then in the darkness have to come to light.
No man, after work man, after work.
Alright.
After work I feel beat. Stop man, I rest now because I do exercise man. Stop going so man.
See you there. How are your mother then? So you're not going to school? School and fee. Alright, just make your mother know so we need to see her when she come in. Okay. Alright, I go there. I go up on the road and the rain look like it's set up, you know, so I beg you to take up them clothes there for the line for me. You see that the man that I have in there? I can't rely upon him for nothing, but I help the rain wet up the clothes. So I beg you to take it up for me, alright? Okay. Yeah man, thanks. You have some things to do with on the road, you know. So, I go get ready, you know. And the little girl, I go there, that's the tenant daughter. I now let your feet take up no clothes, but if your ear, you can take it up too. But you tell me, so she go take it up.
I'm going to on the road, man. Can't have good things. Don't not work, you know, mean some out there today, you know. I'm up on the road, you know. It's like, you know, I have to try to make some money. You know, you go.
Oh, you need rest from sex, but you don't need rest from go on the road.
Remember, say, you don't worry about that. This is not going nowhere, you know.
It's not going
nowhere. It's not going nowhere. What you have done is not going nowhere.
I say, remember, say.
So go and go to where you do a road and come back.
Alright, man, go get ready. Cause kill you dead. I am the only man in the world.
Hello, no ramp with you know. No ramp with that, something we have done, so you know. No only man in the world. What you talk about?
Hey, listen, just make me ready, yeah, man, in peace and up on the road. No good spirits.
Tired, man. You look at time. So late after your time, you know. Tonight, nice. You have to put yourself and go up on the road door.
No worry yourself about that, cause you don't look for me, you know.
So what I
took myself to go to the road.
What me I do? Eh? You continue bend over, I'm going to give you something today.
You can't give me nothing.
You continue. If me ain't tired, I say.
If you ain't tired, you must know where you do a road.
If me never tired, I give you something, you continue. Continue.
Time soon.
Every dip you dip me, I watch you now. When I hold you, you see. Anyway, hurry up and go and come back. Because later I feel thing, you know how you go.
Don't worry yourself, I will see you a little more.
even done. The sea's still rough, and the dirty is still tough. You're not even up to the sea's still rough.
Alright, no. Where can you big man though? Can you just turn 19, you know? Look at that, any little young boy on the road and look you. And I mean big man you want. I first one girl look me, you know. Yeah, man.
Fire!
Yo.
Fire!
This one come.
How many someone that takes so long? Fire! You're gonna come down!
Wait no be man. Wait no, you're out of my sleep, you wake me up, you know.
I'm a beg the girl to take up the clothes on the fella and the whole of the clothes went up on the line.
You look like.
With this.
Stop knocking on the door now. Me just come out of my sleep and you're going so I can't take your aggressiveness, you know. Yeah, wait no man. Me a come be, me them sleep and you can't believe it. Can't believe it, so I say you're going.
No man, look all them out your sorry and I find you.
Hello, me say me have come and say wake me up, but I'm asleep, man. Me tell you, me the man when me asleep, not like me wake me up, man.
I never tell you to come out and come lift me up. Just go up and the door.
Me have come.
So look like I hear man and beg left to carry you. You don't say I have to go come out of my place?
I like how you go on to my time, you know, man. Just say me rest up, I will rest up. And me can't jump down from the cold from I put on my shoes, B. You know
So it take you 5 minutes to put on your shoes then?
Hello, nobody be nice tonight, man.
In our own place.
I go up on the road, right? Come in and be and stop once, man. Come in, you come in the house, you give thanks and make it back home alive. You did that come in the remember, I don't like it, man.
Me and you not go work out in this, you know. Me and you not go work out because I see a baby.
Hey, stop.
A woman in the pants phone in here.
Sleep, man, sleep. Look at me eye them on the red. I was sleeping in the bed. Calm down, man.
But you don't look rejuvenated to me like somebody will rest. You look tired.
Hello. Me tired of certain things.
You're tired of certain things?
Yes. Me tired of the nights with you with the cussing.
The door is open. You can go.
No.
You can leave anytime you want.
You can't get enough of you. Me not tired of you. Me say me tired of certain things. Tired of the cussing. You know what I'm asleep? Give me a little time. If you come open the door for you. See me up one now. So you come in now. You're good. Give thanks. So we go on the road today. You get through everything you go through?
To all me there tired me walk up and down. You know how much walk me walk?
You good for you show up and make it sexy. I mean I tell you now.
You cook anything?
Hello. You see cooking? I know my thing. I was sleeping, then I go up on the road, go deal with something, then I come back and sleep again. Don't worry yourself. I have to something for you though. But just be so surprised with that. You know what you like, man. There's something I'm surprised with.
Alright.
Don't worry yourself, man.
So you ready for me now?
Give me some time, bro.
You say
You just come off on the road and you walk up and down. What you going down this up? This now go nowhere, no. I say, tonight, a agony. So just build and wait.
Tonight a agony.
Tonight.
Me have to wait till tonight a 4 round me want to can't manage it.
I'll tell you again.
Alright.
I hope you manage it too.
Make her go rinse
I
off
hope
my
so you
body.
manage to go rinse
Make her
off.
go rinse off my body.
Look, young. Let me see if she has some money. Now look in the kitchen. There's nothing in there. I go look if... What am I looking out for, B?
Yeah man, want egg sandwich.
Alright.
Come like that by myself?
No. You know what I'm going to say?
Hmm?
You know what I'm going to say?
No.
I'm not like when I'm sad, man. Put on a laughing to your face. I have a tickle show. I have a tickle show for you laugh.
No.
You feel your side? Hmm?
Mm.
I'm like, what if you feel your side? So what I want?
Let me there.
can do today. When the mother can't go, we have whole place myself. We can't tickle she make her laugh.
No, she's not gonna know she there.
Right, so we can't put her till tomorrow. So we'll go up on the road today then and tomorrow. But we have to tickle she before. Hold on.
Jamila,
Good
come here.
morning.
Jamila, come here.
Morning.
Morning. Come here, little girl.
Come with me.
Where you going this morning? Listen, me know why you ramp with the woman man here. Hello, me sign a contract with the woman. Me buy woman rent where you say, you know, a woman place in her. And the contract we sign is if you mess around, if none of we mess around with the woman man, he put we out.
Mommy, I come and mess around.
So you're in there king and
I
gilan.
am a ticklish me.
I sit down there, love. Me no want you around here, deaf. Me no want, no, me have to tell you this again. Go in. Next thing you know, then put your power over, we have to go find somewhere else to go. Listen to me. Let me tell you something. You see, if you look at body, you call for man, I know say you reach a certain age, you know. I know say you less school, you're big, you know, me understand that. But say if you look at body, you jump and fire for man, you better you make me buy you one ties. What fool run the man on this up? Jamila, me not talk again. You see me barely manage. I just throw away. And like we have nobody to help we.
I understand that movie, but I not fool around with him. My man not jump for him. What me I do with Rasta man?
Obviously, your body a jumping for you.
No. Man not jump for that.
Just make sure. Jamila, me now one again. Please, me I beg them. But you make me buy one little rose or one little bullet or something. Or the vibrator. Make me buy for you. Don't go for around the rest of man. Until you can have your own little boyfriend. Leave people man alone. People man don't know good something.
I know, mommy.
Jamila, me now want you again. Please, me I beg you. You're young and you're nice, you know. And you have good shape. Just wait, man. Your little boyfriend out there. Just wait. Don't go on this. Father God, please don't make him go on this to two people, man. You see, oh man, I'm mad, girl.
Me see.
You don't see that?
Me see. But like, I guess I'm just not gonna him a call me and I
He call you should never sit on the side of him and make him a put the hand for you in the first place. And your skin.
come on, tickle my side and me push him off in the top.
But your skin. If I did serious enough, you could never touch you. And you would sit up on the bed with a time about this and say, yes sir, what you saying, sir?
And that many of the first when he tells me, boss now, I'm saying, I'm saying, jam.
You all learn something in my jive. Jamila, don't go near man again. If I see him on the left, you take it right. I know say yeah, we in here, you know, and we must morning, hello, good morning, or hi, or whatever. That's all. Hello, morning, good evening, bye. Hello, hi, goodbye. You ever hear that show there? You know that show there? Hello, hi, goodbye? Yes. Nothing more. No, look, laugh, gila, no, listen, me, I beg you. Me not talk again. Me I come good on the road to buy something for you eat, for cook. I don't have as much money to buy one box food today, so I go buy some chicken and some rice and one pack of curry. Wash your plate, so I don't plate until I come back here.
Yes, I'm ready.
That was. But you love a your phone, you never put on your phone yet. Why not put on your phone, babe? What? So, well, you just know how nice up in the door. So you're good to the front.
Yeah.
Alright, so what size shop you want now? 20 by 20 or 12 by 12?
20 by 20.
And How much are you alone go work now? I go employ some girl to do nails.
For some people.
Oh, so you go be
The
like...
one can manage it.
Oh, you go be like the boss, so you go work.
Mm-hmm.
You go work too?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. How yourself, man? That is woman in the bank all the while, you know. So she will go use to stand security. You tell her that one different thing and give the money for you to take. That's really shocking, alright? So now I'm worry about you save for me like 20 padlock for yourself. Yeah, man. I never know say you like big money now, but you come tell me though. Because normally, you talk to people in them 30 yard. And you just catch a 20 and know so. It's not too bad still. It's too bad. The experience though is a very experience. She not come back for now, one more rounds before she forward back. Can't do another that much as we can do because you see if we not do it, a problem. Because we now get no time again. As bank she can't know. She love bank and she had a bank when it's them for her family. They will look at loan and something. Yeah man, now we're saying this about to get my loan and build the shop, you paint your type of thing. You know, you can start up the thing. What we are doing, I look for some land, you know, on the front. They want if I serve the nigger or for a nigger to go see.
I serve the nigger.
Yeah man, so that my depend. I look for land that I reach now. I come through. Big bridge come down.
Okay.
Yeah man, so we have some people scout. Nice place. We don't have to kaba something, you know, because you have good love it. Me I give you a real place. Slide window. With grill. But I look for the net, see if we can get some good camera spin around. 360 camera, nobody can do nothing. Nobody can block your place. You're safe for no man. Let's call me Sugar Zazie. Right? Sugar Zazie. You're 20, I'm just now 35. You go walk.
Hey.
Cut it. I know.
Come and pull this door. That this little girl and her mother have to leave the place today.
Alright.
Come pull this.
Start back again now. That's how I feel. We want through now. Alright? You ready?
You know, I be said any do when my gone at daytime.
I know what you think.
I would that there. Watch ya. Watch.
I know what you think.
What are doing on my bed?
I know what you think.
150,000 king size. Hey, listen, come pull this cause she and I'm gonna have to leave this place.
Lock the door, no open me back.
Come and pull this door. I'm even gonna argue with you.
Me nah pull it.
Tell me, you know.
Me nah pull the door.
Give me bun from what?
Me nah give you bun.
Come and put
Nah give you bun.
I want to come in a joking pull this and maybe I have to kick it off, you know. Imagine it now. I can't get it over there, you know, and I did it now. I really this you do to me. Fire, pull the door, man. Pull the door.
Wait. Give me a little time. Give me a little time. Good time there. Me are up in here, baby. Promise. Promise me say you're not going to fight with me.
Come on, me just watch.
Just promise me. Baby, promise me, baby. You know me love you.
I believe my place.
You know me love you, you know.
No, man. Just come with this.
You know me love you, baby. Calm down.
Jesus Christ.
No say that. I know Jesus Christ. I fire in here. No say that. No work up a pressure, baby.
Imagine 10 years of my life, my waste with this man.
Me no do nothing. You don't see me I do nothing. No accuse me wrongfully.
That's what somebody has to do, darling.
Me say you no see nothing. I chick you, chick you. And me alone in our room. Come look.
Just open the door, please.
Come look at.
Argument, me ain't no problem. Just open the door.
Come look now. Stand up.
I'm going to look at you open the door.
Me a open the way. Stand up and look.
So I really this.
No, look. Take a good look.
So why you lock up the place?
No, more you look before you confuse me.
Why you lock up the place? No.
No, more, no. You accuse me wrong. Be no ball, man, no ball. No, stop it. Stop, no ball. No ball, do. No ball. Kind of your face out so good, no ball. Do. No ball. Me no want to see you cry.
I'm done with you.
Listen up. Look now. Oh, look. I'm me alone now, there. I'm me alone. See me alone in here. Chop me tail and I go so. See me alone here. I chick me a chick. You prank me a prank. Me not
prank me.
Come here. Can you have it?
Just me not have the strength to deal with them stop me here. Me not have the strength.
Me not help you. Wait.
Help me about the please.
Alright. Wait. Mind your papa. We know how much of people them place. Come here.
Listen, me not go fight with them in an argument. Cause me not fight over man. So if you think say, me come in no problem with you. Me not in no problem with you. Just pack up your things them and go. Pack up your things them and left. Pack up your things them and go.
Me can't left you.
Cause she after her mother have to left my place too.
No.
Them have to left my place.
Come here, baby. Come here now.
Hello, listen man.
Come here
Let me
now.
offer me.
Come here.
Them have to left my place. Dandy!
Come here.
Dandy! I went Dandy around there.
Yeah.
Oh, so your mother gone. And you feel that you find the perfect time to take my man. Let me for me two about babes, you know. About babes, the truth. Me not tell you this from day one, me not fight over man. Just take your things and go. Me not in the stress and the problem. Yes, I your first time and me I catch you, but me not go do it a second or a third time. I have to leave my place. What with this girl?
Alright. Dandy! Babe, me soon come, baby. Ma buy your favorite thing.
Your business and stop calling me. Hear me and want you.
Ma buy your favorite thing, Sam.
Me don't want nothing from you. Just pack your things now. You can go. Your time up.
Me and you can't let you.
You know what? Me go call your mother because you know what? You don't have to leave my place, you know. Me don't want to hear no. You have to go. You have to go. And the only reason why me not call the police after you reach the age of consent, you're 19-year-old. Your mother left for you. You gone to work for us to pay your school fee and you think them for go university and you're there with my man. You have to leave. You have to leave my place, little girl.
Girl, why? You know something I get nowhere though. You hear me? Yeah, I'm not getting nowhere at all. Me I walk from man that at so. And my woman give me one number. Because I'm see one greenhouse over here, so I'm go over there. I'm not get you, girl. Why? Oh, so I should look it? No, sir. All the sun hot and pretty. Girl, me go and look. Alright.
man answer me.
Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Who is this, please?
My name Camino. You know, say one place me they look for rent. And somebody give me a number.
You have a job?
Yeah, I have a job. I'm 12 for. I do bartending.
You do bartending and you're sure you can manage rent?
Yeah, man, I can manage it. I know I can manage it.
Alright, and I know how big my having. I just look at one studio apartment and you have to share facilities like bathroom and kitchen.
So which part that there?
Negril,
How much are the rent?
you have kids?
No, I not have no penny.
Alright, like why you alone, you can give me 40 a month.
Alright, come over and sup.
Alright, so when you can come view the house?
I can come tomorrow, because that niggas that they far.
Make sure you know other people interested.
Yeah, man, I'm interested.
Alright.
Alright, thanks.
Yeah, man.
40 a month. Why? Not nothing about this. I have to go work with.
What's up? No! Miss! Miss! Hello, miss. You know, see you nearly lick me down with the door.
So why you in the way?
What do you mean when I'm in the way?
I don't know, my legs like my comment.
You see, uno young girls are so just going disrespectful. Uno parents are teaching the manners.
Lady, listen to me now, I'm not in the mood. You hear me? I tell you, I'm not in the mood for this.
That
I'm
not
not in the mood for this.
That not have nothing to do with me.
Miss, listen, why are you in the way?
What do you mean when I do it? Is your place? Are your personal place? I'm coming out here, coming in here. Could go to the side and wait.
Hello, I'm not in the mood for this. Yeah, my door in the mood for this.
You don't need for in the mood more than you need for average.
It look like some have problem on the other one come take up people. Don't come take out the problem then for me. Yeah, lady?
You know what? I'm see where you up to. I'm see say you come like one demons come out for you.
Are you a demon?
So you know what? You know what?
You don't see look like demon.
Just look for her get what's coming.
Look on her too. You cry on your favor. Look on her too.
How soon get what is coming to you? No worry yourself. No worry yourself.
Imagine, but even appear this lady in my all in her mind think she's that girl. Watch her. Tormented. You can't do the old devil then.
Hello, morning.
Hello, good morning.
How this cam?
Yeah, you know, something come up. I can't get to come on this day today. You can't send me a picture of the place. Because I really want it, you know. So
Two more people are come today in a cam.
I not have no problem to pay the mountain back. I pay everything. I not have no problem.
Alright, so I go deposit the money to me.
Fine, right now. I just want a picture of the place so I know. You know, because you can't buy pussy in a bag.
Alright, no problem. So when we can expect the money?
I just send the picture, man, because I can't even know. And then I say with my boyfriend in our stay and boy last night after I don't talk to you, because I'm not really on good terms. I come back come see girl and I bed a pay problem. I see to him have him gone to and that you know, because I know me that beat out him and the girl not see me but mom, I can't even know. I'm really in need of the place because I don't have nowhere else to go.
I'm sorry for hear about that, you know. Alright, I go make sure so you get it. I go send you my account information and the picture them and you just make me get the money.
Yeah, if you're not busy now, you can send it now because I'm kind of depend on the road.
Alright, no problem.
Alright, thanks here.
Yeah, man, and nobody go fight, you know.
You can't
Just take it easy, man.
That me I forgot to do.
Alright, take care.
Yeah. Well, thank God enough. Cindy, you don't know what going, girl? Girl, come on, say yes, I'm going to jail last night. after I tell her, say, me I walk a look the place and I go, you know, say, I come back and see the look dirty boy with girl in the house. I say, girl, appear things. Tell me for jam gun. Girl, what on there? Right, girl, the lady send the place. It's not look three bad girl. Can go on. Not perfect as opposite, but you know, start over it. Alright. Girl, I'm so call but I'm gonna send the lady some because I don't want the place to go away. Alright. See if you send that home. What she send it? Send. I get my pen in there. Hello?
Yeah.
Good morning, Mama. Me again. You see the something mother said?
The transaction. Give me a second. Let me check my online banking. Alright.
You see it?
Kemara Newman.
Yeah.
Alright, 40,000. Remember 80 for send me?
Oh, cause then hold on there. Oh, I forgot about that through my head not really there. So.
My sister, you're not in a good space of mind, man.
You see the next party?
Just come in, thanks. I mean business, man. Alright, I'm gonna get somebody come clean out the house and ready for you.
So I can come anytime I'm ready?
Anytime I'm ready. You can come collect the key later.
Yeah, I'm gonna pack up my things and pack up.
Alright, thanks again.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Girl, you know, so I get the place, I just send the woman the transaction. Yeah, girl, you know, so you can come over. You have to clean first, though. You love people, you do. Alright, girl. I'm going to go up on the road and go see what I can also. Yeah, alright. Later, girl. God, you're alone now. That's why I'm thinking, did I go in me?
You see what you cause? A 5 place now we try and all we can't get nowhere. And you know me not like stay at my sister yard. If we stay there one or two nights, we can't do more than that because you know for my sister stay. And when me talk to you, you know, listen. See that now, road with the pan. I feel hunt somewhere else. You don't listen.
It's so hot.
Sun hot? You don't know say hot. When you're there up in a foot. Look how me warn you, Jamila. Imagine me warn you, me plead you, me how we are look on so? Who you look on so?
Nobody, mommy.
Oh, you think true you take man now, you have attitude. Me lick you down and you know too. Me beg you, me warn you, say do not go around there and trouble you and mess with you Rasta man. And see there, you make your woman catch you down. And me warn you. I mean, me not do that, me not like Rasta man, me not this, me not that. Where was me by you? It could work. Yeah, me know you know young people and know I'm sad, but that's the reason why I bought you the rose. Mommy, what? What you have to say for yourself? Suppose a woman did tab you up. Suppose I did worse. Me have to go to prison because I know more than murder him when you're wrong, you know. Because you're wrong. Because I know no girl now put their hand on my daughter and get away with it.
Yeah, I know that, mommy. I don't my fault.
Did the man force himself on you?
No.
How so? Now you up in the exam willingly.
Yeah.
So how come on your fault?
Not my fault that she
Keep your little crutches
if
on
she
the
was
quiet.
doing her job, she could have.
But watch her, she get bright. She get bright, Father God. Why me don't know me? If I'm sorry, me go breathe for you. Breathe for your papa.
But then she lock your foot.
Are you me a try broke it there? You stand up yourself and lock your foot. Lock which foot? Me a try put you in a part when me no walk. Me a try groom you. Me no want you go on the same road when me go down. And I hit you look like you want to come follow. My dirty footstep. You know, she say your papa never in your life. I never see that. You know, see that?
Yeah, we see.
Suppose you all dirty foot Rasta man they go breathe you down.
But they take plan B.
Take which? Oh, so long time you have sex. I can know about plan B.
You
We
don't
learn
say.
it in a school, so obviously we gotta know.
You don't say. How go up the road? Boy, I don't know what. You see, if you don't find no way a street, you asleep and you go away. Can I tell you to talk to you?
Yeah, good night, good night. How you doing, my world's best audience? Can I hear you? Are you ready?
Hello? Girl. Girl, from man, me out here say, you know. Girl, I tell me I stand up for you from the girl to come out. After the girl come take me good man. I want him back still in our old news that. But me a out here so wait. But you know the better me work my hard earned money and buy. Them crazy. Girl, I trade them from man, my out here. From man, I just drag on something, I out here from man. Cause she me there weapon. You know, clear lick to her skin. And then man, I don't want to. I don't want to, it's not the fact that I want him or nothing, But, mom just have want too much. In a match him on your bed, they crazy. Purely twice skin. Yeah, man. Girl, I beat who? You mad? Girl, unless me know my name, beat who she can beat. Girl, stop talking foolish, yeah. I so call her, but I go tell her how it go. Pete dial for 119 because you have to call police and ambulance and everything for your mother. You don't know? Alright. Yeah, girl.
If you take a girl, man, I'm not care. If you take a girl, man, I'm not care.
Hello, Miss Lady. Hello. You not hear me call you what?
What do you mean, girl?
I don't understand. Where you come from?
Girl, you don't see I work, me I go.
Where you come?
This a girl, I must not see I work, me I go. Girl, I work, me I go, girl.
Where you come? Where you come?
Me not worry with you over no, man, you know, girl.
I bet you can't come back up here. Come, hey. Yeah. I know that.
Girl, tell me about come, me have to go and work, girl.
Come for it. Come for it.
Girl, go and go confront your
Come
man.
for it. Come for it, man.
Girl, give me my bag now, girl.
You know who this?
I work, girl. Me have work.
Him not tell about me.
Girl,
Him not
give
tell
me my
about me.
bag.
Him not tell about me. Him not tell about me. Him not tell about me, girl. In my bed. In my bed. Him not tell about me. Come feed.
Girl,
Come feed me.
Come go and work now, girl.
I know that. Girl, I'ma tell you something. Listen,
Like
any
you
day me and you can't argue with me. You know, see you look. You know, see you look. You know, see you look. You look like I'ma tell you something, girl. You see, any day me and you feel like you're bad. Cross it. Any day me and you. Stop it. You know, say stop it. Watch me and you. Me come up there say, yeah, boy, you come talk about stop it. But you have girl. Big, dirty, green, dirty, maga, ugly, stinking, fat girl. In my bed, you're crazy. And I'm me pay the money for buy it. Boy, you're sick. Wait till me come up there say, yeah, two bad boy, me go say come lick after that, you're bright. But stop, you go so we go stop up here. See, any day, you think about it? Cross, you say, yeah, girl, and you see that house up there, so now look back on him, you see that boy there, you have locked him, you hear me?
Girl, I hear man come look me, but go and go confront you.
I'm tell a girl, man, to feel like me, like
Girl, that's mommy go and work. Me late, girl. You gonna make me late, girl.
you don't know if you're going to go to my man. It's my bed. Don't use my iron when I'm better than that.
Girl, me no argument.
Come take it. By the way, I like the bag here. A long time more of them bag here. I have the money for buy it. Because guess what? You ride out my bed, and you ride out the bag. I want to you. Girl, me not really care. Can't go out with that.
The crown life.
None of that. Make the mistake and come back up here. And you see, and you face me about up. I don't know I want to own. I son feel it. So them dusty when I couldn't feel it. Watch me and him too.
I mean, you really have to tell yourself, babe.
You too, but the new tenant a come, so me can't make sure see me for my works. I collect the little money already. My must can look like somebody.
You collect money already?
Yes, sir.
Why you turn and collect money?
What you mean I'm turn and collect it? She deposit to my account, she send it online.
Oh. You see why you know why me if you have giant account, you know. Then we can't see anything go on.
No, we're not conjoined twins. We don't need any giant account. You have your account, you have your own source of income, and me have mine.
You can bet so when me win the lotto, it not gonna be like that. You go one giant account that time they do. If me win the lotto to my mind, you know what the account giant?
Of course then, if you are playing in my bingo, me have to want the lotto money.
But differently from that. If me are playing at the bingo, you know since I get some return to, cause me I do the work, you know. Most of the time you know want you just lay down so you know. And me did a work and a work and a work and a work.
You have to work.
Jack down and
Because
get up
once
back
every
and jack
3
down
months
again.
you do anything, you
But-
have to work.
But listen, after I feed up on so much burger, you know must have stamina more than me.
Well, them say a fast food, so the energy leave faster.
Alright. So you say tenant a come today. So yeah, titivate up yourself.
Yes.
Well, alright. I tell me I dash everything and I bend down. Woman, you not get enough last night.
I
Me
don't.
no hear you ball out for murder last night. Oh, wake up ball out your Lord last night. You know tenant never there catch.
Me I spend the last night of freedom.
But here we know, the beach very nice last night. I'm not lying. You know? And me know though you send me carry to the beach last night you catch me with a young girl. Me explain to you say I couldn't help myself. She just catch me half guard. Cause me there good. And when me there good now, me come in my towel, bam, the towel jab. Before me know she push me down from the bed. And one thing lead to another. You come see what go on.
When you gonna stop telling me a dopey story?
But how you think it happen though? You think say I would I use them amount here? Look at next woman in a same roof? No, me not do that. You know say me is a youth like that, me not doing that. But you know me have a weakness. Me don't know if she hear you. And me a working here. When me say, don't clean me natty because that get me cross.
Hear me and say rest the argument. They can look like you're proud of yourself.
No,
Because I know
no.
where you bring up that for now. That past and gone.
Alright, that's true, babe. Love you here.
Yeah, man.
Love you. Me now go there for help you take a new tenant. Me have some work to deal with. Me like how you have fix myself for me though. Open on the one next man, you know, because the bun thing, me not walk with you, you know. I walk. You hear
No
me?
time for that. A woman can do what a man do and still be a lady.
That's why I
You
love
depend on your own.
That's why I love you, you know. You all get the ring, you know.
No, me alright. If I know 5 ring span on the vehicle, I don't need it.
I don't know. You just deal guys like you know I'm married to I.
Married to problem and stress.
But that's marriage though, you know.
You can't even keep your thing in your pants but you want to marry.
But it never make you keep in there.
So what you did for them?
It make you keep in your bingo but you never there.
Oh.
So you jump in our next girl bingo.
Oh, you're proud.
No,
You're
no.
proud. You're proud.
No, babe. No.
Alright.
No.
No, man. You're proud.
No, I'm not proud.
You're proud.
I'm not proud.
Alright, big up
But you know
yourself.
that you will love though.
No.
No.
No, Jesus loves me.
No,
That
me
sure
love
about.
you.
No,
me love you.
Jesus
Look how
love
long
me.
with it, eh?
Cause him died on the cross. I mean,
But
you
look
know
how
about
long with
your
it.
love.
Look how long with it. And we still a go strong.
But look how long with it, you still a give me bone. From
Yeah.
day one.
Alright, do you think so when I do nothing, I do it to hurt you? No. It's a nature thing. Me don't know why you make me so. But me I try fix it though, cause me only fi have IC alone, you know. I you alone to see, you know.
You want just so you know.
Wait, babe, me I go on the road go do some work, here? When I come back later, we start out things again. Must start carry out more often.
No, me alright. Can you think see ice people?
No,
You can't
no.
get stress and problem.
No, me I go work. Me have 1 and 2 work to do. Me working close down at the shop there. I mash up some welding and now. Alright?
See, if you think you're bad, make me see you even look panda new tenant.
No, me,
make me see you look panda.
Yeah. When
How
she
you
comes
think
to
me
me,
night with you now? You see
saw.
the next time, me a put out your little much and you're leaving.
no babe, we not reach it so. Me go
Nah,
man.
reach this up. Go on anywhere you want to go.
Yeah, we not reach us again.
Hello? Hold on, let me can't hardly hear you. Hello?
Is it Joe?
Yeah.
Yeah, good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
I'm a new girl.
How far I reach, baby girl? Dead no man, you reach exactly where you reach. Wait there, don't move, I'm coming. Yeah man, alright. Yes, Lord. Are you the top sir?
Yeah, you want pink joggers?
Yeah, wrong place and come back down to the end of the lane.
Alright. I just bought the plate.
What's up, girl? How is everything? No man, how your face looks so familiar?
Good evening.
Good evening. Where me know you from? Oh, are you are the girl at the store when you lick me down with the door?
But miss, are you the kind of walk past and mama tell us me I go through a lot. So what if I something you don't have to understand me.
Your sister is a small world. Suppose me was like some evil people now. For just because you do that, but I just turn you away and make you go on with your heavy suit, big suitcase.
But I didn't send you my money already, remember?
I could have sent it back.
Listen now.
The bank never lock after you send the money.
I already explained everything to you already. I'm gonna have nowhere else to go.
No worry yourself, I don't have that up in me, but make sure none of them style there come on my place with.
No, I just true it was a bad day. As me did I tell you, I love things and plus the furniture with the girl in front of me use my hard money and buy it, you know. So if I understand, I want if I something on my head.
Alright, I'm not going to hold that against you. Come on, let me help you with your things.
Come.
Alright. But everything alright otherwise then?
Well, I paid things this morning, but yeah, still I'm gonna start with.
That's fine, girl. If you have to start over 100 times, do that. But remember, me tell you, in life, you have to be careful how you treat people. Because you don't know who have got about end up and help you out. No, that's right, honest about hold on them. Me hear you say you go start over. Like new man and everything you plan to start over?
Yeah, cause you know say I just come out of one situation. I plan to start over overall like my whole entire life.
No problem with that, but I want to ask you one question. You like Rasta man?
No, I'm never did a Rasta man before.
We won't have a problem with that because never Rasta man in the yard the way him can't keep film skin under control. Him always dey on fire. So, I just make one if I'm no, so I don't want me have no problem.
I'm not going to do that. You don't have to worry about that. First of all, I'm not even going to look for you, man. Miss, I'm not coming, and I'm man, not coming for looking, I'm coming for start over.
Make sure I be a them joggers that you wear around the place and big pants, big skirt. Because you never come sexy.
Pay my money.
You notice how I come out, you have to make him see sexy. Yeah.
I'm here pay my money.
What you mean, girl?
So, why you act like you tell me what for wear?
I know what for wear is my place, my rules.
But miss, I'm not come for look at man.
I don't know, I just have put you on your guard because no other girl now come hurt up my head.
I still want to deal with black people, but alright, that's alright. So come over one summer for go.
Alright. Just to make you know because you see that the man there?
You know why you man?
He's very cunning. So you have to watch yourself because you see the man here. Evening, where you get.
But that's a seven.
You know, so we feel like me and I go green.
No, but that's a
No,
seven.
it could be-
Remember, say mine.
I know your money again. It's in my name now, my dear. You said this is something I can't get. Look, you know, and learn how to turn it, you know. Because I'm not enter from this side. You can't give me a little problem, man. Just hold on.
That's a place of own.
Watch it and pay close attention because it's kind of tricky. You have to push it in and pull it out. You see? Push it in and pull it out. Push it in, pull it out. Yeah, that's how it works. And voila! Tires. You love it? You like it?
Yeah, it can go on. It look better in the picture still.
What do you mean by look better in the picture?
The picture that never did come down. It can't work with it. It can't fix it.
But you tell me, say you not no furniture, so I try to get a bed for you. Want me to sell the bed and fix the roof?
No, I say it can't fix. It can't fix.
Alright, that's how we want here. Remember me tell you, anytime I hear my man voice in the kitchen, you don't go round here.
So share
When
kitchen
him
and
there
bathroom
here,
with your mom.
what do you think shared facilities mean? You never go to school?
I never share before.
Well, you're going to start share now, and you did share your man, so you've been a share long time.
So I don't know for share.
That is it. But when you hear him around, the kind of loud, you know, so you have to know when him around there.
Yes, I don't know for sure. Yeah, when then since me can share, man.
You want to leave as you come, miss?
Alright. It can work.
You're going, me gonna have to give you a bucket for use, you know. Cause, alright, excuse me. I don't know gonna make you piss me off today.
Bucket for the wall.
And now I'm gonna make you walk through here, so go around, and I need to walk go around.
They can go around, miss.
Alright, lock the door behind and you come in and while you're there on your people, my man. Sure come grown, so cause you look like you want to piss me off, you know. See it clear so you want to piss me off.
Lock it behind you.
Yeah, remember if you close your legs when you see me man too.
So, but too bad. The boy place it look better when we like him about, but can't work with you. It's Call my friend. Hello? Kara? Girl, me reach the place. I cheer David no girl. Girl, the woman worried me the place. You want to see the woman look too. And I appear to shut him boy man. And if me like Rasta and this and that. Girl appear things. When you want to want the little place, I just have to work with it, girl. If I see the roof I jump out. If I in a hurricane, I just pass through. Girl, I have to work with it, you know. Girl, I actually even know the way I go this morning. If I feel next day still, I go bathe and fresh up and circle him. I want to the rest of man. You don't know. So when I have to see the man cute to share once over, girl, I have to share bash my kitchen the man pure things. Anyways, girl, later car. What you mean? Yeah, every time I come on the phone with them, I have to hang up with girl. Remember say, a business me I deal with it. Me have a beard and something but so the rest of my come and come down with the money, you know, so anyway, if anything, I hope straps. Alright, girl, later. Why? Place I forgot work with. I want the phone's like. So the phone, I think. The phone, yeah. Let me suffer this and something. It's not 5 stars. 5 star, lifestyle. One lamp. This can fix my lamp.
Nice to hear it. Oh yeah, do it. Yeah, man, man, I'm a woman place, you know?
I feel like tree by myself.
Yo, you're mad, you road, you know what? But you're not yourself.
No, you come to the talk to me because the woman make sure one me, I don't want she put me on. I have a pure thing. She said, I see her and this and that, I can't take fair judgment.
Tell her one thing, man. My woman don't know nothing what I do. Right? Yeah, man.
Oh, that's why she said insecure because you're white.
No, I'm not really wild.
The eyeball clean.
You know, take easy. I know, easy. My yard, got food. Catch my yard. One juice.
Yeah.
Alright, no worry yourself. What kind of juice you want?
Bam, one.
Alright, you what? You're there?
Yeah.
Alright, so, go back shop and come back. Just meet me in the kitchen. Yeah, go get it and come. Alright?
But a Rasta man no look tree, man. So lucky. We both have to take him. But as though me broke him, now nothing. And I feel like rope trips, man. So lucky. I should not all do it.
Only things that you do for woman. Baby!
Yeah, come. Como se passa? Oh, she got her on there.
No, they never have none of the big one then. Come here, I try to get one big one for you. To show you on my road, but that's only the small one they have in a red.
I heard that's a small money you're looking at.
Nah man, we have big money.
Oh, yeah.
And we have big, no say next word.
Alright, thanks for the juice, I'm kind of thirsty.
Anything you want, man. You call for me as long as my woman is there. You call for me.
Oh! Okay!
Alright.
Yeah! I saw it go!
No, I'm saying, any other one you want?
I saw it
No.
go! As long as me not there!
No, like, no.
Okay.
No. And the answer I said, no, because post she there and you not there. She called for me. Post the place a bun down.
Yeah.
Call for me, but if you there, call for you, no call me.
No call you.
No call me.
Yeah, I'm not joking with you. Me say I go see what me I go do here in this. Alright. You go see what me I go do here in
Calm
here.
down, man.
Watch out, I saw. Look what me I go do here in here today.
Calm down, man.
Me say me a man ex here have to come out here. Not even one day good 24 hours the woman not in here. And you look her already.
I'm not look hard, me be a good tenant.
You be a good tenant.
Yes.
I gonna trim you today. Watch me and you.
Yeah, but
You are do too much. You are do too much. You go back for no come back in here. You come see things them out the door. Come on now, what kind of man you be? Why you have me in your sofa then if you want every other woman? I say I chew a man even know me no want go to prison in a man. I chew me no want go to prison but fire just watch out and see for me and you. Look! I say God, I say man! Man! Hey! Come on now, come out right now. But who that? Me never worry about me and my man. Come out, man, come out. You have a right for lock up round there. Just what? Look how me have a poison the two of in here. Red poison and down the clock. Watch me and you know. You say every day, me alone now go lose in a life. Me alone now go lose. Now go, you know just go. Say man, watch out for me and them. Me alone now losing a this. Me have to go make a link.
Baby can't forget me. I don't like when she upset, you know.
We can't do this no more with him. We can't do this no more with him. I done. Every tenant, sir. No, man, I have to go up.
Baby, so far, say, feel the front, you know.
We don't plant it beside the grave when I plan for dig for you.
No, man. But babe, you know, so I don't like when you're upset, you know, man.
Shanda, me go call you back, sis.
I don't like when you're upset.
Me go call you back,
Because me nah do.
Alright, sis.
You know, I love you, you know. I told you already, and I proved it to you many times. Anything you want, I will get it for you when I have it. And every time you see me very hard, that's why I can't say nothing when you say. You know? Because I've done some things in the past. But I'm a changed man. So when I say I want sense now, if somebody come here, I try to assist them. Me not there with them. Me not there with them. Not there with them on their roof. Me I tell you. Not there to nobody on their roof.
Hear me I say Shakespeare.
So what of you?
Hear me I say Shakespeare. Save the speech. You see them flowers here? Go plant them. Because you're going to need somewhere to shade and put out here look how much out there.
Stop for that no man.
You're going to need somewhere to stay soon. Because you have to let this place a 3 day you have. So call up all your family them and get one of them for country. Because you can't stay at me mama did this place and give me beer heartache.
No, yeah, you know, listen now. If somebody there here and they ask me assistant, can I help them? Yes or no? We have said some rules there.
Oh, you're the maintenance man.
So who go read then?
And you are the handyman.
Anything fixing at the house.
You don't fix nothing in here. Not even my business in the bed you don't fix.
I fix that sometime.
Sometime.
I fix it. Yes.
10 years back.
We still are fixing it. 10 years still fixing it.
Why you walk around and display your disability?
No, me nah. Listen, man. Ask her if me and I don't know dealings.
You're not carrying no dealings.
Me said anything where
she just come.
Me said just in case anything they have to do. And that me hear me and say no. If you not there, call for me. We don't want nobody come here after me and for your place here.
For me and for you. So the time after this year for plug in here, for little light in the place, the time when you're there, you look woman, you go up on the light post, go fix the light, make we have light in the place.
What deal that?
You go deal with that. You go deal with that.
Oh man, piece of money I come later too.
Me done with you, you know.
No, come on.
Me done with this. So when you say right come in, you try step out. Cause a new man I go start on this place.
Alright. We don't have for the new man. Because we don't know
for the new man.
But babe, don't have for that man. Why you have to see it? Don't have for the negative vibes. Why you put it see it?
You know done bake bun already, go eat
no,
it.
Man. Nobody
you
that.
Bake bun, go eat it. Me not cook you for you come in here.
One vase to put this in.
You have more strength in your waist to go give me bun. You go out. You go make a little ramen and satisfy and eat and go baby.
Yeah, but you know so I love the ramen. Put the stew peas in it. As usual,
you not like ramen noodle, you like ramen. You not have none of this forget.
The flowers look good here, so baby, for me just here. It is so well. You know I love you though. You know I love you, baby.
Keep
you know
your
I love
love. Your love could have stayed.
Good.
Oh, you think I'm gone? You know I'm sit down out. Wait, how will you go with knife?
I use it, did I use it cut some?
Oh, I think I'm in your comfortable so when you put it down, you pack up your things and you leave.
What do you mean leave?
You cannot stay here.
Hey, that man is delusionally. You're delusionally, miss.
Oh, so are you thirsty so that you have to beg my man by you, June?
I'm gonna tell you, yeah, misinterpret. Oh, am I your man? Listen to me and listen to me good. Because I don't know I want to you know. You me say because I come here to boy your man, miss. Out the door me there, come go buy one bread sitting. But I remember what name. That me go buy coconut bread. And me see one man there pass. And the man they see me and ask me say, if my alright, I say yes, my alright. The man over there look me. And him my beg him can't go buy a juice come from the shop and forgot the juice. And the man go buy the juice, me give him money.
Oh, so hold on there. So you plan to bring man in my house, in my place.
Me never bring man in here.
So you say you don't know him and you never know see my man. So what am I doing here?
I don't know. Out the door there, so I take the man come give me the juice. But I look here, him in here call me.
Okay.
So I say me know say your man miss me no.
So I never did explain say my man is a Rasta man. Why you could do? Save that in your
mind. Your man is the only Rasta man there. Your man is the only Rasta man in the community.
Come on, just get me not even go in and a fighting and a problem.
You fight me in a
Me
way. You
not
can't
in
put me
a
out.
fighting and a
You can't
problem.
put me out.
What you mean by?
You can't your place. What is?
What you mean
I'm
by
probably
the
the
man
man. I'm
place?
probably the man place.
Watch man, this a film mama dead left place so you have to leave. Come, pack up your things.
I don't know what you're
Pack
doing.
up your things,
This
boy.
is very funny.
Send you back your money. Yeah, share my man in here with no girl in a my
I do not want your man, miss, but I am not leaving here.
Make us
That's
say.
how me for tell you.
Make us say.
Sorry.
Call me. You can call the police to get that invalid out of my place because me now go in at the problem.
Remember me
Make I call the police. Make I call the police because this now go work out. Make I call the police.
Come to that one here. I'm not call them. Remember say your place there on the 40 grand. Call me your old broke. I'm gonna leave your place. I'm probably the man.
Police. Me live at 353 Winchester Drive, Negril. Me want to come take out the tenant out of my place. Me just send her money back to her through online banking and me want she leave.
Catch ya.
Me want she to leave police come right now because she have a knife to stab me up. She want beat me up in my own place. She a take my money and she want beat me up. Hurry up and come 353 Winchester Drive, Negril. Right now.
You don't know la, me know la. You see long as me right
Girl, I'm not
you see
talking to you.
long as me right
Alright, when you say officer, you come in 5 minutes time?
Let them come.
Alright, thanks.
You don't know la, let me tell you something. You see in this time here,
Come out of my door
you see
here.
in this time here, you have to give me notice before so me can be prepared.
Come out of my place today. Me not no chatting. No chatting me not in there. You have to come out today.
Yes, you think I saw this thing work? You think I saw this thing? What's up? I better me make two boys come burn down this. You think so easy? I have to know why. She feel like some of the rest of the people there. God, me not leave. Watch that woman. Hello. Miss. Miss Angela. No, ma'am. Miss Angela. No. I don't have to feel like I am not leaving here today. Because you're lucky. I want to that lady, man. Then I front the rest of man.
How you doing on the front as well?
I'm going to tell you something because you're the next one and you say, oh, I'm tell you something when you talk to me and you come right here so I make your woman put me out, you know, and I'm not going nowhere.
No worries,
Yeah?
no worries. I'm not talking to her.
So make sure what me that do, yeah?
I'm not talking to her.
I make two by one bun up this together.
She said he love you.
See like I saw this thing go? I saw this thing go? My money? I'm a friend with the man that him on the next one. Because I tell him, no, you're not talking with me. Because I know him girl head at. I know she don't control her dog. Come to them people here. Let me know who this. God, I must shit me shit in a church. Imagine. My man, him dirty nurse girl, I know this. This time, stop me here.
I come there. Yeah, babe.
Oh shit, we sit in a church. Yeah, bring them in, you know, because I want to put them out. I talk to your woman and she for know say me is just an idiot. I know la.
Oh boy. You may also know, babe. You know, so we are going through one rough time now. And it's hard, right? Hard and rough. But I apologize for making your life so rough when it comes to my reckless behavior in terms of, you know, but me I try my best. I mean, not too much like what you feel anymore. But through what I'm doing in the past, still I use the same 45. But anyway, the girl, I see her, that's why she up in her back in. Because here.
Who give you permission for letter in?
Listen me, I say, man. When we're signing the rent, when we are signing the rent board association, right? And it have a fine print which state what you can do from what we cannot do. So we as the landlord have our rights and the tenant have for their rights.
Rights to people, please.
Yes, them have rights, so if you rent them it, and like you can give them back the money and to come out of my house. It takes time. So my time is harder to get them out than anything else. Right? So you have the agreement you and sign. So the lease agreement, you see, if you don't want to renew it after she do her time, you know renew it. Alright? So that does our party time does so. Make you stay. I don't know what, but you start getting more insecure though. I don't do nothing. I don't do it again. I'm tell you, I don't do it again, but me always go talk to people. So when I talk to people normal, the things that me look them. If somebody say buy something for them, or me see a beg somebody go buy something and shop for you, and a man and I don't say nothing to you.
Because me and I know the same thing.
But me change.
Listen, I already warned you until you stay far from the girl. And you gone as far as to half our juice. That means
No,
you
if you have money,
me.
no, if you go buy one juice, come here, so I go shop go buy something.
Alright, no problem. You see, true, me don't want the problem.
I don't want the problem there, but me don't like when you upset. I don't like when you upset. Man.
Because you see, the next time I make my head hurt me, you're coming out.
Yeah, I don't like when you go on away. You know, so true, me love you, me there with you, you know. You know, say, the boy will have a different place, but I love me have fear, you know. Why? Just think about the good times, then, man. You can't bother the negative. I don't like when you say, you know.
Me I go receipt. Because as I said, it's not legal for do all of that for put her out to make sure stay.
Yeah,
but
man.
we have to go pillar and a bathroom and a kitchen room there, Sophia.
Yes, I think of that. We like when we go to the next room on the so we go get a strength pan it and just have it one bedroom, one bathroom, and one kitchen. And we say we don't share no facility. You understand? Before, so we go live around and left everybody else and we say we not have to go over there. You understand? We come back around so make two rent have two tenants around there. You understand?
Alright, but you know, say you make me behave them way they do.
Yeah, me know.
Behave yourself, you know. Cause see, they know.
And this year, same thing, yeah. So my time.
Yeah, push her up now. I'm going to apologize to her. Because you say you is not this type of person make me behave out of character all because of what you can't keep that in your pants.
We go buy one cement. Cement.
Here, because I joke thing you def pan. What's your name? Young girl.
How old that?
I mean Miss Angel. I just didn't want to tell you sorry for the way how I operate. You have to understand as a woman because you have problem with your ex-man too. Say and them make we have to act some crazy way sometimes.
I understand, Mama, don't tell her listen, I don't want your man.
I'm sorry about that and it now go happen again.
Yeah, that's what we can live good still. Because I'm not really in a bad vibes.
Alright, no worry yourself man, it now go happen again,
I'm
alright?
for staying, I must stay around
No
this, I can't get
problem.
the problem.
Alright.
Alright.
Yeah, alright though.
Yeah, I'm alright. I'm just there alone. Come and feel too well.
Alright, sorry for hear that still. Take care of yourself.
Alright.
Yeah man.
Alright, so you go cook.
Go cook some soup. Because the girl so she not feel well and you know me already behave a way on her so.
Alright, but tomorrow, cook my favorite. Stew peas. Alright? You cook my favorite.
I want to tie you upon myself, but alright.
You done tie me
Put on the
already.
road to get the pigtail and sit so I can scald it off from tonight.
Hello. Me not talk the one where you eat, you know. I want the original one where you cook for me. Me not talk where you cook here.
You know, so through your behavior or you know behave a be a girl. Because Rasta na behave say, so sometimes I even remember say the I and I Rasta.
You better blow out, remember, with your pigtail argument, because we burn up you on the pot.
Trouble me and trouble you man, till you upset me.
Alright, me know so much trouble you run joke with me about pigtail. Anyway, no peas not there.
Yeah man, peace there man.
So,
Everything there for me keep.
Alright, so no worry yourself about that. Make it soup tomorrow. Warm is stew peas.
Today?
Alright? Tomorrow, give me soup is tomorrow. Cook the soup
Alright.
today and done.
Alright.
I do some work in the yard. Yeah.
Yeah man.
Because later I do some work for you.
Boy, only my man. All him do a take me for idiot.
Alright, don't worry. My yard can't find out about this going on.
Your mother also got finance.
Alright, now she thinks I'm watching me there, you know?
Yeah.
I know some people could have watched so. Anyway, you like where we go a while ago?
Yeah, it's nice. You can go on.
You know, so you're new to the place, so you don't know the place. So, okay, go. One of the places on the beach, listen to some reggae music, have a drink, right? And then we can go somewhere. Whenever you are cheap. Ah, man, you can't find out.
I can't make the problem.
Nah, man.
Oh,
And
I never have no to stay on. I don't want to go back to square one.
you're not go back to square one, man. We're talking about. You're not go back to square one, anything to go on. You're going to square 5 and 10.
You know why your woman 5, you know how she's stay and she look like she has suspect something. She looks like fishy road.
That's what she stay, man. Right now, she make her stress. The happiest time when I see her, you know. Because I be a ningy, nanga, nanga, ninga, nanga, ninga. But since you come, may I tell you, everything changed and everything nice.
So all I know, she needs to go and do it.
No worries about that. We now make tonight be about she. It's going to be about you and your beautiful eyes and your lips. And every little thing about you. Your bump on him, something there. That we are focused on tonight. So anyway, we'll go over the beach park, you know.
It's a nice road.
We don't see nothing yet, man. There's much more to see than what you see yourself.
Oh, you're not your woman yesterday, no?
No, it's not tonight.
It's tonight. I just feel to go and bring the woman already, and people are just saying, remember.
Listen me, I know me, I'm a woman who wants to say, you know.
So, but most people are going to see you, that you have to think
We don't care about people, man. People can blind. You see, we have on here, people go out there. Come through.
Who that? Oh, run there, I come on the road, let's look for you. You know, say, up on the road, me I come go get some things. Because when you say there, I can't afford doing it. So me I go to Mandeville Market and come back.
And
You don't want
to then.
some little grocery.
What I don't know. Make you buy some plantains for me. Because plantains scarce up there, you know.
Up here, dear man.
Oh, plantains scarce so. Oh, plantains scarce up here. See if you can get 2 plantains for me. And some sweet pepper.
Alright, you know if I can get the bus?
Yeah, man, you just go to the end of the road. Just go to the end of the road and take sit and go up on Niggerl Town. And then after you reach Niggerl Town at the bus park, The taxi park, you just ask them where you get the Mandeville taxi.
So we want 2 plan? 2 and a plan?
No, two bungalow planting.
If you can't buy it.
Yeah, man, you can buy it, man, and just some sweet pepper, about 1 pound.
Alright, because you can't leave me last or more.
You're not last, man, you have to find a way. Look how you're sexy, a man must direct you.
I hope so. Anyways, later here.
Yeah, man, what good? Yeah, man, I can't go up on the road, you know, the place empty, because I don't trust this.
Oh. But if you see the moment I walk for you last night, may I tell you, I'll be back to feel like I'm going to go to the massage. Because I tell you.
I say, I sit down little thing, ready to go up on the road, and you have to give me something for them. Come on, man.
And night time, I do the thing you want me to do, so. No, so hot, man. Take time with the man, no?
But they think you like it rough. I can't stay too long, you know, because I have to catch a bank before it lock.
You know, the bank, which bank you go?
Nova Scotia Bank?
Oh, alright. You know, I get through for now when you go on there now. It's 6 o'clock this evening. Where you go on then?
No, man. May I go and get the massage? Where you run me, son?
No, I'm not running, but you just love your road.
Alright, when I come back, I finish it.
Alright. I don't know how me go ever left. After we so love it. Sometimes you really cost me out, but you know.
Because I deserve it. Me and a mad woman, I just get up a cuss. And you cost all of that.
I tell you though, I don't want to so look find the pan with the bumper cock up, so you know.
So nobody now look for me, they know you're a mad man.
Tell you what.
Alright, little bit.
Alright. You know, like, yeah, we then could let them.
Later, man. Come on, man. Sure.
I made a hat me and now be. She gone. And she gone. Right now, in a time like this one. I'm a time there. I'm a time in the car, I have a touch road. I have no boots here. I have no boots at all. One rubber. Rubber I want to pack and done it before she come back. Put my tummy there, sir.
Now back to me, I'm just go buy one brother and sit me. I bought to me, I use. Girl, later, I can't take care of Jama right now. Use more, use the bathroom. Alright. Oh, tissue. Oh, tissue in there. How are you? How are you? Come here, come here, come over here. Yeah, but just put in the fridge. I can't have juice that girl, Jacob.
Yes, yeah.
What are you? Who are you?
My first time was here.
Oh, are you tell the girl, man?
Oh, so you know one.
The new, I'm glad how you said. The new one.
That's what I'm fierce.
What are you?
Come here, follow for my man.
Which man?
Fire.
Feel man? I can't me and me landlady man.
Feel we?
Feel we. Not for you and not ours man. Feel we man. My girl. How would I get her? Your time up in her. You don't know what X mean exit and expire. What ya do ya?
Last time I never expire, so that's not anymore.
Miss. Leave now. Kuya. But you never have my juice now.
What?
Come out. Come out. As the woman garden ready to come take over, I want to know. The whole of Uno, so come out. I want to get here. Me are the only side chick I gonna ever have. Know that. She's the wife and I'm the side chick. How do that girl there? I'll fire him on the next one. Watch me and him. Come on now, I'm a big girl and the woman. Watch me and him.
Hello?
What one be? You reach out the yard already?
So, one new tent there. But things are nobody there. I should tell me say
One new tenant there?
yes.
No, nobody's supposed to do that, man, because she not tell me say she go, man, devil.
Next time you hear say yeah, she there.
No, man, I lie that girl I tell, man. Oh, and she there. You believe her? I'm a woman up here for watch me. That's why you see me not call you for when, you know. Because I'm a woman up here for watch me. Me know she cut out my rent. Have just PR for watch me. Please, you know what? Just leave for there and come link me on the road. You right? May go somewhere different. You understand? Go all the vibes. Because I don't understand. Alright, sorry about that though, man. Me think the girl that man devil. You know some woman there?
No.
You shake her, she that bank. You understand? Some woman put in a danger. She not like care nothing.
No, surely I cost me.
Alright, so no cost with her, man. You left out the house already? Just come forward, man. Come on the taxi stand. We'll pick you up, yeah?
Aye.
Sorry about that. We'll go somewhere. We'll go to Greenfield Hotel. Alright, come.
I feel like me and my size, you know. Hello?
What go on, be? What go on,
I
bumper?
understand.
What do you know, bumper?
Me not feel good at my turn back. Your woman the other year, but I come go in the bathroom, you know, come out, come see one maga flux girl sit down at here. I drink up my juice. Who she? She ever tell me say she a old tenant and she me not understand. Me understand no, sir.
I'm a stalker, that man. I'm a stalker.
You stalker.
She a stalk me. You ever about stalk Ashley? She doesn't have the Ashley on her name. She a real stalker.
Look how me I got stalk your face.
No, me I not there for true, man. I'm not worried about that, man.
You feel like you can't tell me for idiot? I'ma tell you something. Clear and straight.
I'm not take her for idiot or fool.
Your woman me supposed to be the only other woman from your woman. You idiot?
I get alone, I tell you, I get alone, man. I get alone.
Make that girl come back here, you see? Everything I mash up, every dolly house. Come on now in the coquette joke, know that here.
Don't worry about that, B.
Bright. Come out of this, man.
Somebody there at the store, man. I couldn't answer you at the time because I deal with some business. Yeah, me get in the rent and think me soon make you get your percentage. Every month we have to deal with this. Yes, auntie, 40,000, you get 20, me get 20. Alright. Yeah, man. Okay, bye bye.
Hello.
When you appear from a thing to get rid of you.
Oh, Miss, you have a photo and stuff. I'm going to say that.
Why we get her evicted? Because your panty too hot. Your fault. What you have to say? Me not really in the bag.
And that become your suffer right now. Me, in a beach side, I miss your man and a new tenant down here. And you'll like them down here for a long time.
Oh, really now? The new tenant, the new girl was just moving last week?
Yes, she's your man. Yeah, they just reached here, so they just are going out water. So they're going to be there for a long time.
Not the one that come for raise up my blood pressure, but not say a word. Which beach?
No, beach bunny, you know.
Don't a beach bunny?
Yeah.
So in pass all of the beach, them reach way up a beach bunny with. Alright. Thank you for the information. They say we're going down there right now. I didn't even bother go around it. What going on then? Come I forgot to say the plan for taking from. You sure on yourself you are watching for? And sure on your rightful man you don't want to cause a commotion?
No.
You're sure? So you're not still a take him? Because if you're still a take him, you have to come with me, come help me fight, you know. So make me know. Yeah, I'm going to chatting with you, little girl. Go on about your business.
You want to get my water?
Yeah.
I'm coming on my place. We are killing my one, yo. Yeah, run. Just wait till I catch you. You say, you have to come out of my place, you know. Off it. When they? Hey, you know, say, I hear now. You can't take me pick. Idiot. Eh? I hear now. You can't take me pick. Idiot. How will you feel like? Eh? You think you can't take me for clothes? Eh? Your hand pop or your head no one muscle? Stop. Clear with my man.
Yeah, man. When you make it to the end, give thanks. Glory be to the Most High. Give thanks to life. Burn it down to the ground. So, members of the competition still on. We go live 1 and 2 times before we reach, because we're down to the end of the month still. So, enough people not participate as much as I think they would have, because most people not understand. What really happened is like a treasure hunt. You got to look throughout the movie and find the 4 number that's in the movie and write it down in your comment. Remember, you can comment as much as you want. You can comment 10 times. Every time you comment, you have to put the number out at the end of the comment. So when the person look upon it to see if you are part of the competition or the promotion, they can write your name down. If on your username it's BVCC, you can put a name in there for people refer you by, right? So the jar go on the live. So we go announce it when the jar date, so you can tune in. Alright, so this evening, not the night, we go live. So sooner there we can explain more about it and bag of things go on. But throughout the week, like Monday, tomorrow, we go again. Today 29. So you have like, I think this month a 31 day. So you have maybe 2 days. But check your calendar yourself. You know what I mean? And figure it out, because a month end jar. Enter the month end, that's the date we're gonna do the jar on. After we're done, tally it up and then put every name in the box. Right? Alright, so hope you have enter in it, because we have checked through all of the movie them for this month. So next month is gonna be 20,000 at the end of the month, but this month is 10,000. Alright? So hope you win it. This a movie you can do it enough, and this a movie. Right? So you go through the movie, you see the number them, you write them down, leave it in the comment, you can win $10,000. Alright? So more see my fans them participate tonight, right? Cause for more day I've been busy, some bag of things go down, but not everything good it will start. But then at the studio to work on an album, I do some voice training, I do a lot of different stuff, because upliftment is a must, right? So talent is key. So we work on that same speed. So you soon get a listen here to what will take place, you know? But give me some time though. Well, if I work, I go on though. Alright? So bless up to the people them who are supported from that time till this time, you know what I mean? We know some of the time we don't post as often as we should, but like it always have to be some circumstances. So we are post 2 movies this week. One post about a day ago, and now we are post 1 today. So you know, so we work, right? So remember, the competition is on. It's treasure hunt. This month is $10,000. Next month it will be 20, and every month it increase by 10. Alright? So stay tuned, participate. So if you watch a movie already, you should never do that. Go back to the movie again, write down the numbers them as you watch throughout the movie, and comment. You can comment more than 1 time. You can comment 10 times, no matter what time you comment. But every time you comment, it's gonna be added to a piece of paper, drop in the box. Please put your name there if you don't have a name on your thing, cause we're not gonna know your name. We're gonna write a serial number like where user this, user that. Alright? So hope me not talk too fast, hope you don't understand. Alright, bless up. Enough love. Give thanks and support from that time to this time. And we're up on a building backstage, because something to go wrong with the channel the other day, and we have it sorted out and rectify, and now we're back on track. So it give the channel a slow start back, like the start back over. So we need enough support for tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, because most people not to know, so we start active again. Alright? Remember, this is JAMMIWOOD Entertainment. You know what I mean? This is my channel. Alright? Let's go.